Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find an artist on Patreon's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find an artist on Patreon, firstly go ahead and launch open your Patreon application. The homepage of Patreon application will appear on the screen. Click on search icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the search box at the top, type in your artist name that you'd like to find and tap on it. This is how you can find an artist on Patreon quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.